How to fix Snapchat story not deleting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'm going to provide you solutions on how to fix Snapchat story not deleting. So, this may be because of cache or some glitches and errors or the Snapchat not being updated to the latest version. For that, you'll need to go to your settings and then go to general and then tap on iPhone storage. Now, scroll down and search for Snapchat. So tap on it and then you'll need to tap on offload app. So offloading Snapchat will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So you don't have to worry, your data will be deleted. You just have to reinstall the app again and it will clear all the cache and the glitches and it will update the app to the latest version and will help you solve the issue. However, if this doesn't help, then it might be your device's issue. So you'll need to force restart a device by holding up the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And then just slide to power off and restart your device. I hope one of the solution helps you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, everyone.